The SRCM Heartfulness Center in Hyderabad stands as a peaceful sanctuary in one of India's most vibrant cities, operated by the Sri Ram Chandra Mission. This center is at the heart of the global Heartfulness movement, which emphasizes inner transformation through simple practices of meditation, relaxation, and self-reflection. Set amidst beautifully landscaped gardens and tranquil architecture, the center offers an inviting space for people of all backgrounds to pause, reconnect, and experience calm in the midst of a busy world. Visitors are welcome to attend guided meditation sessions, wellness workshops, and spiritual retreats, all provided free of charge. The philosophy here is rooted in inclusiveness and the belief that peace begins within. Heartfulness trainers offer personalized guidance, helping individuals tune into their heart's wisdom and develop clarity, balance, and compassion in everyday life. Whether you're seeking stress relief, deeper purpose, or a spiritual path that blends ancient yogic traditions with a modern approach, the Heartfulness Center in Hyderabad provides a nurturing environment to support your journey. Many who come here leave with a renewed sense of calm, connection, and inspiration. On 29 April 2025, the global Heartfulness community will come together to commemorate the 125th birth anniversary of Pujya Babaji Maharaj, the revered spiritual guide and founder of the Sri Ram Chandra Mission. This historic celebration honors a life dedicated to love, service, and inner transformation. Events will be held across Heartfulness centers worldwide, with the main gathering at Kanha Shanthi Vanam and major participation from the Hyderabad Heartfulness Center. Devotees and seekers will unite in meditation, remembrance, and gratitude, reflecting on Babuji Maharaj's timeless teachings that continue to inspire millions. As we mark this milestone, we celebrate not only a legacy but a living tradition of heart-based meditation that empowers individuals to live with purpose and peace. Join us in paying tribute to the light that Babaji Maharaj brought into the world. Spiritual anatomy, as beautifully articulated by Daji, the guide of heartfulness, is the inner framework of our consciousness, a map of our soul's journey back to its source. Unlike the physical body, this subtle anatomy is composed of chakras, or points of energy and consciousness, primarily located in the heart region and along the central axis of our being. Daji explains that the heart is not just a physical organ, but the seat of our spiritual existence. It is where divine impressions are received and where the deepest transformation begins. The journey starts from the heart, moving inward through a series of points that represent stages of purification and awakening. Through heartfulness practices such as meditation on the heart, cleaning, and yogic transmission, we activate and cleanse these subtle centers. This process leads to expanded awareness, emotional balance, and a natural connection to higher states of consciousness. Daji emphasizes that understanding and working with our spiritual anatomy isn't theoretical, it's experiential. As we go deeper within, guided by the heart, we rediscover our true nature and live a life of simplicity, love, and purpose.
If you've been here before, share your experience in the comments.
Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below.